What's up everyone, it's Myron from GizMode here, and I'm back with my second video sporting a much better logo introduction. That first one, I wasn't very comfortable with it. I'm not going to say much about it other than, yeah, we won't be doing that anymore. Anyway, in this short video, I'm going to share with you how I upload my vocals from my stock Voice Memos app on the iPhone to Final Cut Pro. Now, as a new YouTuber, I'm starting out with my iPhone as my main source of media recording. So for those of you that are in the same boat as me, I hope you find this helpful. Now, I actually did search for a video regarding this on YouTube, and unfortunately, I was not very successful. While there was one that seemed to provide what I was looking for based on the title, it didn't play out for more than 30 seconds before showing an error message indicating that the video could no longer continue, and then pretty much shut down. Others came close with just general uploading for audio, but nothing specific. While I will be using this channel for mostly tech review as I move forward, I'll share useful tips and tricks that I learned along the way, and hopefully those that watch will find them useful as well. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button, as any support for this channel is always appreciated. With that being said, let's talk about it a little bit. Alright, so after you've completed your recording, you want to make sure you name it something that makes it easy for you to find, especially if you're going to upload multiple recordings. I've named mine Final Cut Pro Intro, letting me know that this is the opening audio for my video. Also, you'll need to determine the location for the file to go. I've created a folder called Final Cut Pro Audio for that purpose. After those tasks are completed, you want to pull up the options menu by touching the three small horizontally aligned dots just underneath the play timer. Now, there's three ways that I found that you can accomplish this. I'll share all three of them with you, and you can decide which option works best for you. Option number 1, copy the file and paste it into the folder location you have chosen or created. Option number 2, save it to the location of your choice by touching Save to Files. Option number 3, just airdrop it and save it to your chosen location once received on your MacBook. This was pretty much my go-to prior to figuring out I had two other options and how to use them. Once you've completed an option, access whichever project in Final Cut Pro you want to send the audio to. Right-click in the browser window, select Import Media, select Macintosh HD in the sidebar, move down to the Files window, select your name under Users, select Documents, and here's where your chosen location for the audio file should appear. Once you see your location, go ahead and select it. Again, mine is labeled Final Cut Pro Audio. Select the audio file inside. Finally, click the Import Selected button on the right. This will begin your download. Once the download is complete, the audio file will appear in your browser window. And that's it. Not too complicated after a few tries. I hope this was helpful. Remember, if you like this type of content, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.